Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. Today I will discuss about how to download Visual Studio 2017. So first of all, open the Chrome browser and go on Google and search it. Get into PC. Search this, then click on Get into PC. And see here, search box. Write the Visual Studio name here. Visual Studio 2017. Click on Go option. See here, Microsoft Visual Studio 2017 free download. Click on this link. Then click on download option. You see here, loading this page. Please wait. File will start automatically. See here, downloading is started. 36 GB software of Visual Studio. So I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.